Exploring the psychology of homicide. Understanding why people kill. Homicide, the act of one person taking the life of another, is a deeply complex and troubling phenomenon that has captured the attention of psychologists, criminologists, and society at large for centuries. Understanding why people kill is a multifaceted endeavor that encompasses a wide array of psychological, social, and environmental factors. Through the lens of psychological studies, we can begin to unravel the intricacies of this disturbing behavior. Homicide is not a new phenomenon. It has been present throughout human history and manifests in various forms, from impulsive acts of passion to meticulously planned murders. While each case is unique, researchers have identified common themes and motivations that underlie acts of homicide. One of the fundamental questions in the study of homicide is why individuals choose to take the life of another human being. Psychological studies have identified several key motivations behind homicide, including emotionally charged situations. In many cases, homicides occur in the heat of the moment during emotionally charged situations, such as conflicts between intimate partners or disputees between individuals. Research suggests that intense emotions, such as anger, jealousy, or fear, can override irrational decision-making processes and lead to acts of violence. Psychological disorders. Certain psychological disorders, such as antisocial personality disorder and psychopathy, are associated with an increased risk of engaging in violent behavior, including homicide. Individuals with these disorders may lack empathy, exhibit impulsive tendencies, and have difficulty regulating their emotions, increasing the likelihood of aggressive acts. Environmental factors. Environmental influences, such as exposure to violence, poverty, and social inequality, can significantly impact an individual's likelihood of engaging in homicidal behavior. Studies have shown that individuals who grow up in environments characterized by high levels of violence and deprivation are more likely to resort to violence themselves as a means of resolving conflicts or asserting dominance. Psychologists have developed various theories to explain the underlying mechanisms of homicidal behavior. One such theory is the frustration-aggression hypothesis, which posits that individuals who experience chronic frustration or perceived injustice may be more likely to resort to aggression and violence as a means of alleviating their distress. Additionally, the social learning theory suggests that individuals learn aggressive behaviors through observation and imitation of others, particularly within their social and cultural contexts. Exposure to violence in the media, family dynamics, and peer relationships can all contribute to the development of aggressive tendencies and the normalization of violent behavior. Understanding the psychological factors that contribute to homicide is crucial for developing effective prevention and intervention strategies. Early identification and intervention with individuals who exhibit risk factors for violent behavior, such as childhood trauma, substance abuse, and mental illness, can help mitigate the likelihood of future acts of violence. Furthermore, promoting social and economic equity, improving access to mental health services, and addressing systemic issues such as poverty and inequality can help create safer communities and reduce the prevalence of homicide. The study of homicide offers valuable insights into the complex interplay of psychological, social, and environmental factors that contribute to violent behavior. By understanding the motivations and underlying mechanisms of homicide, we can work towards developing more effective strategies for prevention, intervention, and rehabilitation. While the topic of homicide may be unsettling and difficult to comprehend, it is through the lens of psychological research that we can begin to unravel its mysteries and work towards building a safer and more compassionate society for all.